as I promised, we have José on the camera today. Say hello, José.
Hello, José.
And as you can see, I did some makeup on this eye. And his role is gonna be to do the exact same makeup on this eye that is naked for now. I left everything that I've been using out.
It's just 150
products. And I've left some more brushes if you want to use something else, who knows. And I use this palette, so let's go, José. It's your turn. Let's go.
My hand is dirty. Can I?
But you have brushes for that.
I prefer use my hand. It's me who's gonna do, so I decide what.
Maybe wash your hands.
Can I just pee?
Just in case of eye infection.
Okay, I'm gonna apply this thing on your face. That is brown. Or I don't know which color is this. Like naked.
Naked color, yeah. It's my eye that you make up, yeah, not all my.
Okay, it's like foundation. Is that foundation?
Yeah, but I used it because it's out. It's one thing that I used, and it's a concealer.
I know.
To use concealer.
It's not foundation.
No.
I want foundation. Foundation comes first, no?
Not on the eyes.
I don't know.
No, this is all I
on
use.
the eyes. I'm supposed to know. It's fine. Like something like this.
Yeah.
That's a soft part. Hey, stop off. Yeah, I need. Okay, close your eyes. No fucking way I'm gonna do it.
I trust in you, José. Or something similar. It doesn't have to be perfect.
Of course it will. Doesn't need to be perfect, guys. Doesn't need to be perfect, okay?
Well, I guess I put my hopes way too high for you. Okay, tell which color you're using.
Okay, girls, guys, everyone who's watching. I'm gonna use this blue because I like it. And since that there's some kind of blue there
with this brush.
With this brush that is soft. Good.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna use this one that should have a name on this color.
There is behind.
Yeah, but I can't look behind.
No, which one? This one?
Doesn't matter.
It's Queen.
Queen. Okay.
Imagine we do that and I didn't put on the movie. Like we didn't start the film.
Oh no. You do. Yes, it's just blood.
I know, I'm just trying to. So what is the most important thing in a makeup for you? Like what technique is the most important?
Have the colors and a brush. That's the most important technique.
Yeah.
And a hand.
Very important, that's all I need.
Important.
With one hand must be more hard.
Yeah, but I still don't know. Perfect.
Perfect?
Okay, please, concentration, okay?
Sorry.
Now I'm gonna use this
Beautiful color, one of
blue
my favorite
that
colors.
is shut up.
Here,
Hey, leave me alone. But why is it on the other side? Doesn't make sense. It's a pool party.
Poop party?
Pool. Pool party. It's not pool, it's not French. Pool party. Oh my god, I did that. Okay, I need another brush. Unfortunately.
You know, when I look at your face, I feel like it's gonna be good. Okay, no more. What does it look like now? You like it?
Hey,
Can they see? We're making a video. It's for a purpose.
how come you put this thing like inside your eyes in here? How I'm gonna do that? You're gonna be blind.
We can be very careful.
Can't promise much. Okay, guys. More.
More.
More. More.
I'm so scared I wanna cry.
But I can't put it in your eyes as you did, so
But there's
no.
the blue in my eyes.
Doesn't matter. There's some colors in your eyes.
It's
No,
black.
it's black inside?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm not gonna do the black, so you're gonna be blind. Hey, what the fuck you looking at?
Sorry.
If you look again, I'm gonna stop this bloody video. Okay, now I'm gonna use the faint. Really?
It's Mio.
Mio.
The fourth card,
Yeah.
no? 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah.
MFEO.
The guy is watering the plant. It's okay, it's really pigment.
Let me work.
Let me work.
Okay, as I told you, I'm not gonna put this black thing on your eyes because.
Yes, you are.
Okay.
But it is a pen. It's not the eyeshadow.
Okay,
It's a pen. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And you're gonna be super careful
Okay. This one is on.
on my eyebrows.
Do you like my brows? Do you like my brows?
Do you like my eyebrows?
Do you like my brows?
You're gonna do the eyebrows with this brush?
Yeah, I'm gonna do right. Can you look at me more like, yeah, thank you. Almost there, getting there. To be honest, quite
Similar?
I'm gonna need some wipes, some tissue, something.
Okay, you want me to do like that?
Yeah, I want you to help as much as you can. Almost do that, oh my god.
You're grabbing me like I'm a piece of something. You grab me so strong.
Of course we're shaking. Oh my, line's perfect. Holy crap. Okay, now can I do this on top? Yeah. You were like, you're shaking your eyes. Like,
Sorry, I'm shaking my eyes. But... Oh no! I have tonic water to do that.
So is your...
No, I have water to do that.
I want to use Okay, now I'm gonna use Expert Skincare Refreshing Toner. Okay, it's a blush shotting.
He doesn't have his glasses, so he's like,
yeah,
like a grandpa.
that's so funny. You're so good. You have no idea how much mess I did. You give me this fucking boy. Just show. I'm just fucking my job.
Your job.
Okay, now I'm gonna put more of this because, you know, I want to.
Which is a really good reason, isn't it?
Of course. But now I know that it's just too much. It didn't work that well. I think I did better than you, to be honest.
Honestly?
Yeah.
Did you put mascara?
Yes, I did.
Mascara?
Yeah.
You know what is mascara?
Yes. I've got mascara. I've got one mascara. I know what's there. Yes, I did. You don't remember?
You didn't.
No. I can use it now.
Yes.
To hide this. Let me see how
No, it's not to hide nothing.
Okay, so I don't use it.
Yeah, use it.
No, I don't.
You need
it's
to.
done.
It's the most important thing in the makeup.
But it's done. You use it after making.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. She want me to use it. That's what people think I have in my eyeshadow.
Yes.
Oh,
Because you have so long lashes. You want some
oh my
mascara
god,
on your eyes?
no way. Seems that you're scared, you know.
No.
No, but. Ooh! Hey, stop too loud.
But you made it a noise.
Good day too, definitely.
You could date me? Thank you. Should we put lipstick on my lips?
No. Lipstick everyone can do, it's not a big
Which
thing.
color?
Don't know.
Maybe something brownish?
Brownish? Is there something brownish? I think more like yellowish, or pinkish, or greenish. I'm hungry, guys. She's making me wait till 1 p.m. to do it, and I don't know what time I'm gonna eat, but I know that I'm gonna eat. Of course, I'm gonna eat. But
You don't know what you're saying because you're hungry.
you want me to make this like when you have a Botox on your lip, and she's like,
No. Which
no,
normal. Yeah, please.
shit lips. Alright guys, that was my makeup part of
then
this
before-
relationship.
Before I'm watching myself, I'm gonna make like those YouTubers who show their makeup off, you know?
No, okay.
Like that, like.
I'm hungry, okay guys? Just to let everyone know I'm hungry. I'm bloody hungry.
Okay.
Thanks for watching.
No!
Okay, I'm hungry.
Well, to be honest, could be worse.
You don't know which side you did and what side is right.
Actually, I kind of know, but I thought it would be worse. That's what he did. Thank
Okay,
you.
so much.
No.
Okay. You're the artist.
Are you disappointed that he succeeded so well?
I think they are. It should be more like everyone expects you to like, but I did the job.
You did the job so well. I'm really surprised. I think next time we go out, you're gonna do my makeup. Okay, let us know what you thought about this. If you enjoyed to see Jose in my videos, if you'd like to see him more often. And I tell you, see you next week. With or without Jose, just you let me know. Bye bye.